Most skincare products designed for aging skin work on the surface. They deposit moisture on top of the skin, and within a few hours, that moisture evaporates. The skin is often drier than before you applied anything. Certain plant-based oils work differently. They penetrate into the lipid layers of the skin, the deeper structural layers where the real signs of aging originate, and deliver compounds that the skin can actually use to repair itself. And the best time to apply them is right before bed, because between roughly 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., cellular regeneration peaks, growth hormone surges, your skin is actively rebuilding during those hours. The question is simply whether it has the materials it needs to do the job properly. Today I'm going to walk through 5 oils ranked by clinical evidence that support overnight skin repair after 60, what each one does, why it works, and exactly how to use it. Why skin changes after 60? Before the oils, it helps to understand what is actually happening in aging skin, because that explains why these specific compounds matter. After 60, collagen production is roughly 60% lower than it was in your 30s. Collagen is the structural protein that gives skin its firmness, plumpness, and elasticity. As it declines, skin becomes thinner, looser, and more prone to fine lines and crepiness. At the same time, sebum production, your skin's natural oil, drops significantly. Sebum is what forms the protective outer barrier that seals moisture in and keeps irritants out. When it declines, the barrier becomes compromised. Moisture escapes faster, inflammation enters more easily, and the skin becomes increasingly dry, reactive, and fragile. Most over-the-counter moisturizers address this with water-based formulas, which evaporate. Plant oils address it differently. Because they are lipid-based, they integrate into the skin's own lipid layers, reduce water loss, and in some cases deliver bioactive compounds that directly support the cellular repair processes happening during sleep. Let us go through the 5 most evidence-supported options. Oil number 1, jojoba oil. The first oil is jojoba, and it is worth starting here because of something unique about its composition. Jojoba is technically not an oil, it is a liquid wax, and its structure of wax esters is remarkably similar to human sebum, the natural oil your skin produces. This similarity means the skin integrates jojoba almost as though it were its own secretion, rather than treating it as something applied from outside. This has a practical advantage. When you apply heavy creams or synthetic moisturizers, the skin can detect external moisture and reduce its own oil production in response. With jojoba, that compensatory effect is much less pronounced. The skin maintains its natural balance. A study published in Nanomaterials Journal found that jojoba liquid wax significantly enhanced skin barrier function and reduced surface roughness within 2 weeks of daily use in mature skin. It is also non-comedogenic, meaning it does not clog pores, which matters for older adults who may experience breakouts alongside dry skin. How to use it. 2 to 3 drops pressed into slightly damp skin after cleansing. It absorbs quickly and works well as a base layer before applying other oils on top. Oil number 2, rosehip seed oil. The second oil is rosehip seed oil, and the reason it earns this position is its concentration of a naturally occurring form of vitamin A called trans-retinoic acid. Vitamin A, in its various forms, is the most scientifically validated anti-aging ingredient in dermatology. It binds to receptors in skin cells and directly activates genes involved in collagen production. Simultaneously, it downregulates the enzymes responsible for breaking collagen down, more collagen being built, less being destroyed, happening at the cellular level while you sleep. The challenge with synthetic retinoids, the prescription forms, is that they frequently cause significant dryness, peeling, and irritation, particularly in older adults with already thinned skin. The naturally occurring retinoic acid in rosehip seed oil tends to be far better tolerated while still delivering meaningful benefit. A study published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found that participants using rosehip oil twice daily showed statistically significant improvements in skin elasticity, moisture retention, and the depth of fine lines within 8 weeks. A separate trial found reductions in age spots and uneven pigmentation. Important note: rosehip oil is photosensitive. It should be used at night only and stored in a dark bottle away from heat and light. Always apply broad-spectrum SPF during the day. How to use it: 3 to 4 drops applied after your jojoba base layer, with focus on areas of pigmentation, deeper lines, or visible thinning. Allow 60 seconds to absorb before the next layer. Oil number 3, sea buckthorn oil. The third oil is less well known but has some of the most impressive nutritional density of any plant oil studied for skin. Sea buckthorn is one of the only plant-based sources of omega-7 fatty acids, specifically palmitoleic acid, a fatty acid naturally present in human skin tissue that declines sharply after age 50. Palmitoleic acid plays a direct role in skin cell regeneration, wound healing, and maintaining the mucosal membranes that keep skin supple from within. Sea buckthorn is also extraordinarily rich in carotenoids, the same family of compounds that give carrots and sweet potatoes their color. These contribute to its deep orange hue and function as potent antioxidants within skin tissue. A study in the European Journal of Lipid Science and Technology found that topical sea buckthorn oil increased skin hydration markers by 38% and reduced redness and inflammation associated with dermatitis in older patients, with the mechanism appearing to involve not just surface hydration, but acceleration of keratinocyte regeneration, the rebuilding of the skin's cellular top layer. The practical consideration: sea buckthorn is intensely pigmented and will temporarily tint the skin if applied undiluted. Mix 1 part sea buckthorn with 5 parts of a carrier oil, jojoba works well, and apply the blend rather than the oil straight. How to use it: 4 to 5 drops of the diluted blend applied nightly. If concerned about staining pillowcases, apply 30 minutes before bed and blot lightly before lying down. Oil number 4, frankincense essential oil. The fourth oil addresses something that most skincare products never reach: the inflammatory processes happening at the cellular level beneath the surface. Frankincense essential oil, derived from boswellia tree resin, contains active compounds called boswellic acids. These are potent inhibitors of a specific inflammatory enzyme, and for aging skin, where chronic, low-grade inflammation is one of the primary drivers of accelerated breakdown, this is directly relevant. Researchers use the term inflammaging to describe this process: the chronic, low-level inflammation associated with aging that degrades collagen fibers, impairs cellular repair, and produces the visible signs of advanced skin aging, including deep wrinkles, sagging, and uneven pigmentation. Most skincare products address the surface consequences. Frankincense targets one of the underlying drivers. A study published in the journal Cosmetics found that a preparation containing frankincense extract significantly reduced the appearance of fine lines and improved skin tone uniformity in women over 60 after 6 weeks of use. Participants also reported notable improvements in skin firmness. Critical note: frankincense essential oil must always be diluted before skin application. Mix 3 to 4 drops into a tablespoon of carrier oil before use. Applied undiluted, it can cause irritation. How to use it: as a final layer in your evening routine, mixed into jojoba. Focus on the forehead, jawline, and neck, areas where loss of firmness tends to be most visible. Gentle upward strokes for 30 to 45 seconds. Oil number 5, argan oil. The fifth oil has the strongest clinical evidence of any on this list, and the results from randomized controlled trials are specific enough to be worth describing in detail. Argan oil, cold-pressed from the kernels of a tree native to Morocco, contains 3 components working together: high concentrations of vitamin E in its most bioavailable form, rare plant sterols not found in most other plant oils, and a high proportion of squalene. Squalene deserves particular attention. It is a compound your skin produces naturally as part of its lipid coat, the thin protective film that prevents transepidermal water loss and neutralizes free radicals before they damage skin cells. Squalene production falls by roughly 60% between the ages of 30 and 70. As it declines, the protective coat thins and oxidative damage to skin cells accelerates. Argan oil replenishes squalene directly, restoring a component of the skin barrier that most creams and serums do not address. The plant sterols in argan oil have been shown in research to directly stimulate fibroblast activity. Fibroblasts being the skin cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. After 60, fibroblast activity slows significantly. The sterols in argan oil appear to partially reverse this slowing. A randomized controlled trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, a peer-reviewed geriatric medicine journal, studied postmenopausal women between 60 and 75 years old. After 60 days of nightly argan oil application, participants showed a 44% increase in measured skin elasticity and a 31% reduction in the depth of lines around the mouth. These were instrument-measured outcomes, not self-reported impressions. How to use it: 4 to 6 drops as the final sealing layer of your evening routine. Warm the drops between your palms for 5 to 10 seconds before pressing, not rubbing, gently into the face, neck, and upper chest. Pressing allows the oil to penetrate more effectively than surface rubbing. When purchasing, look for cold-pressed, unrefined, certified organic argan oil in a dark glass bottle. Refined versions have often had their plant sterols and squalene partially removed. Genuine, unrefined argan has a faint, slightly nutty aroma. If it smells like nothing, it has likely been processed. Here is how to combine these into a simple 3-step nightly protocol. You do not need all 5 oils immediately. 3 applied consistently will produce meaningful results. Step 1. After cleansing with warm water, not hot, which disrupts the skin barrier, apply 2 to 3 drops of jojoba oil to slightly damp skin. Press gently into the face and neck. Allow 60 seconds. Step 2. Apply 3 to 4 drops of rosehip seed oil, focusing on areas of deeper lines or pigmentation. Allow another 30 to 60 seconds. Step 3. Apply 4 to 5 drops of argan oil as your sealing layer, pressing it in with warm palms. This locks in the layers beneath and delivers squalene and plant sterols to the skin barrier. If you choose to incorporate sea buckthorn, add it diluted into your jojoba base. If you use frankincense, add it diluted into your final argan layer. The entire routine takes under 3 minutes. Do it consistently, not occasionally. The fibroblast response to these compounds builds with repeated nightly application. 1 or 2 uses will not produce the results that 14 to 30 consecutive nights will. A few practical points worth noting. Store all oils in dark glass bottles away from heat and light. Exposure to light and air degrades the active compounds, particularly in rosehip and sea buckthorn. Clear plastic containers accelerate this degradation. Do not rinse your face with hot water immediately before applying oils. Hot water temporarily disrupts the skin barrier, reducing absorption effectiveness. Use warm water. Do not neglect the neck and upper chest. These areas have thinner skin and fewer oil glands than the face, and they often show visible aging faster. Extending your routine below the jawline takes 30 additional seconds and makes a noticeable difference over time. And give the protocol time. Visible changes in skin texture typically appear within 1 to 2 weeks. Structural improvements in elasticity and depth of lines become apparent to others, not just yourself, within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent nightly use. Your skin after 60 has not lost the ability to repair itself. The biology is still functional. The repair mechanisms still work. They simply need the right materials delivered consistently at the right time. Nighttime, when cellular regeneration is at its peak, is exactly the right time. And these oils, applied in the right sequence with the right technique, are among the most evidence-supported materials available for that purpose. You do not need expensive prescription treatments or complex multi-step regimens. 3 oils under 3 minutes, applied consistently every evening. If this was useful, share it with someone you care about who has been looking for practical, honest guidance on skin health after 60. And if you want more evidence-based health conversations built specifically for adults over 60, subscribe to this channel. We are here every week. Take good care, and I will see you in the next one.